Action.
Right now we have a Deadpool figure right here,
Yeah.
and there is a diorama over here. As you can see, there's a lot of weapons. So there's a sword, Gatling gun, a handful of rifles, some bullets are here. We still have this binocular right here. As you can see, you can also remove the sword, the knives here, the pistol, yeah, right there. And put it back. Except the grenades, you cannot remove the grenades and the swords. There are two swords in his back. It's removable. And here you have his pistol gun. I don't know what this gun is. And it's a silencer over here. It can also be removed. Right there. That's a bit hard to remove, you know. Okay, that's it. The weapons that you can see here can be mounted on the wall of the diorama. Just like this. You can put the guns there. Experiment. Like that. And you can hang some of his rifles over here to make it look more astonishing, you know what I mean? Yeah, astonishing. You can put his swords over here.
Papa, bakit English speaking ka ba? Nakainis.
And the bullets over here. You can hang it on the wall. Just like
Dito mo
that.
rin pa sa may ano.
Put the,
Dito nga pwede iyo.
you can put the
Sa may ano.
Gatling gun over there. And some of his swords here. So you can hang his binoculars over here. And that's it. And you can put your custom Deadpool action figure in his own very personalized diorama armory. And that's it. Voila.